Morning students, I welcome you all for today's GK class. Lesson number 33. The topic is current names. There are varieties of reasons due to which the names of certain places are changed. The name of a place can be changed to mark independence, honor a person, or for other political motives. The former names and the current names of certain places are given here. Match the former names with their current names. Shall we match it? Yes. The first one is Congo. Congo is a country located in the western coast of Central Africa. The current name of Congo is Zaire. The state between 1971 and 97 in Central Africa, that is now known as Democratic Republic of Congo. The current name of Congo is Zaire. Question number 2. Formosa. The current name of Formosa is Taiwan. On 23rd May 1815, they declared independence, establishing what they called the Free and Democratic of Formosa. So the right answer is Taiwan. Question number 3. Ceylon. In May 1972, Ceylon was proclaimed a republic and changed its name from Ceylon to the Republic of Sri Lanka, and in 1978 to Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. The answer is Sri Lanka. Question number 4. East Pakistan. The current name of East Pakistan is Bangladesh. It is located in South Asia. It is the 8th most populous country in the world. It is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. The answer is Bangladesh. Question number 5. Batavia. The current name of Batavia is Jakarta. It is a center of the economy, culture, and political of Indonesia. It is the world's second most populous urban area. The answer is Jakarta. Question number 6. Mesopotamia. The current name of Mesopotamia is Iraq. It is the capital and largest city in Baghdad. The official languages of Iraq are Arabic and Kurdish, historically known as Mesopotamia. The answer is Iraq. Question number 7. Pretoria. It is one of the South Africa's third capital cities. It was one of the host cities of the 2010 FIFA World Cup. The current name of Pretoria is Swana. The right answer is Swana. Question number 8. Abyssinia. The current name of Abyssinia is Ethiopia. It is the 13th most populous country in the world and second most populous in Africa. Oldest skeletal evidence for anatomically modern humans has been found in Ethiopia. 5. Persia. The current name of Persia is Iran, historically known as Persia. It is the country in Western Asia. It is the 18th largest country in the world. The answer is Iran. Next, question number 10. Zanzibar. The current name of Zanzibar is Tanzania. The current name of Zanzibar is Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is in northeastern part of Tanzania. Most important fossils have been found in northeastern part of Tanzania. The correct name is Tanzania. Question number 11. Peking. The current name of Peking is Beijing. The name was restored in 1949 at the founding of the People's Republic of China. Peking is a romanization created by 17th and 18th century French missionaries. The answer is Beijing. Question number 12. Rangoon, Burma. The current name of Rangoon is Yangon. It is the largest city of Myanmar. Yangon is Myanmar's the most populous city and it is the most important commercial center. So the current name of Rangoon is Yangon. Next one is Christiania, Norway. The current name of Christiania is Oslo. It is the most populous city of Norway. It constitutes both a country and a municipality. Oslo is the economic and governmental center of Norway. The next one is question number 14. New Amsterdam, America. New Amsterdam's name was changed to New York in honor of the Duke of York who organized machine. The current name of New Amsterdam is New York. Question number 15. Byzantium, Turkey. The current name of Byzantium is Istanbul. Istanbul, historically known as Byzantium. The Roman Empire's capital was Rome. The Byzantium Empire's capital city was Constantinople, which was previously called Byzantium and today is Istanbul. Turkish is the official language of Turkey and English is the widely spoken in Istanbul. Visitors are often surprised by the relatively high level of spoken English by most Turks. The correct answer is Istanbul. The current name of Byzantium is Istanbul. I hope you have understood these topics clearly. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Students, please take page number 40 and write the correct names, whatever I have given. Okay, thank you students.